Lunocet Monofin. This awesome product was tested by none other than Michael Phelps himself. He swam the trial distance a hopping 87 times faster than his own world record set in 2009. Whether you want to swim like a dolphin or dreamt of being a mermaid, this product is for you. The video by the manufacturer showcases a cutting-edge biomimetic monofin inspired by Mother Nature's design. What makes it unique is its easy disassembly and compatibility with regular footwear, like cycling shoes, thanks to its convenient fastenings. The creators spent a decade developing it, and the results speak for themselves. It's suitable even for individuals over 80, given their healthy inexperience, though it's sold at a significant price of $400. Unit 1 Faro Smart Helmet. Amsterdam, being a bicycle-friendly city, inspired new smart helmets to hit the market. One such option is the Unit 1 Faro. It comes with a remote control, allowing riders to indicate turns and display brake lights. In case of a fall, the rider has to confirm their safety through a button on the app. Otherwise, it sends a message to a pre-designated contact with the accident's location. For customization, there's an app available for iOS and Android. The total price for this innovative helmet is $200. Movie Magnetic Robe Leash. What pet owner wouldn't want to pamper their furry friend? This leash offers a convenient and quick way to get your pet ready for a walk. The collar comes with a special carabiner, and a dual hook latch can be easily attached with just one motion, thanks to magnets ensuring it's always in the right position. Designed for dogs weighing 14 to 45 kilograms, it's available for $45. The system includes a durable 1.8 meter climbing rope that can withstand both a dog's jaws and various weather conditions. Iris Yusa Blue C2. In Windsor, Japanese living rooms average about 17 degrees Celsius, while bedrooms are around 13 degrees Celsius. This system is specifically designed for beds and includes a flexible hose and a special attachment for drying shoes. Priced at $150, the heater measures 16 by 14 by 35.5 centimeters and can reach a maximum temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Instamorph. Instamorph material is highly recommended for jewelers, artists, sculptors, and even robotic specialists. This unique plastic becomes soft and transparent at around 65 degrees Celsius, allowing for easy molding. Once it cools to room temperature, it hardens and turns white, becoming as strong as ABS plastic. With 170 grams of material costing $15, it's versatile and of high quality. Ring of Steps. Hunting enthusiasts should take note of these innovative platforms designed for hunting from a tree. Portable and weighing only 88 grams each, they provide an alternative solution for moving around a tree trunk. A set of 5 steps and a belt is priced at $85, with an additional carrying case available for $12 or $25 depending on the size. Corsair icue Nexus. This innovative touchscreen offers custom macros, device configuration, and advanced controls for compatible keyboards or docking stations. With a resolution of 640x48, it allows up to 200 profiles with 6 virtual buttons each. Priced at $100, users expressed interest in a fingerprint scanner, although they acknowledge it might increase the cost. depulat flame air diffuser, after completing essential tasks, unwind with this combination of a humidifier and aroma diffuser. With a noise level of about 30 decibels, it won't disrupt your sleep. Priced at $33, it features smart LED lights and an automatic shoot-off function when water levels are low, making it perfect for your office desk. Horl 2. Priced at $189, this sharpener aims to make knife sharpening a pleasure for everyone. It allows sharpening in a 15 or 20 degree angle using a two-sided barrel with fine diamond coating on one side and stainless steel or ceramic coating on the other. Handcrafted in Germany, users find it helpful for beginners, though some consider it expensive. Magnasonic's 81. This Super 8 film scanner allows for digitizing film at a speed of 15 meters in 30 seconds. Priced at $255, it simplifies the process, producing an UMP4 file. Users can make edits and view the images on their TIV using a RUCA connection. Ravensburger Gravitrax. This kit full of possibilities and creativity allows users to build their marble circuit. Priced at $42, it's recommended for children aged 8 and above, providing a fun and enjoyable activity while exploring physics, engineering, and mechanics. Aurora 2. Finishing the selection with a compact keychain flashlight boasting 650 lumens at brightness and a battery providing 56 hours of continuous use. Priced at $40, it features a USB Type-C port for convenient charging and is water resistant according to the IP65 standard, and comes with a clip and magnets for easy attachment to any gadget.